By the end of this, we must be able to associate the members of a set with their properties. Let's identify the elements and members of and members that are not of the set. Describe a set as being finite, infinite, or empty. A set is a collection of or group of items, usually of the same kind or having common properties. The most defining factor of a set is that the items or the members or elements are usually of the same kind. Items in the set are elements or members. And if you look at this set, you'll realize that 1, the set is named with a capital letter. 2, on both sides of the equal sign, it's technically saying this is that. So just as I have set A here, equal sign would have shown that, hey, all these items in the curly brackets belong to set A. All right, so I have mango, banana, orange, and apple. If I was to name this set or describe this set, what would I name it or call it or describe it as? And I said it's an open floor, so you can raise your hand and answer. Fine by me.
It is a set of fruits.
Fruits. So what does this mean now? In order for you to name or describe a set, you have to look at the commonalities or the similarities between the items. Let's move on. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and then I have the ellipsis behind it. What would this be?
Set of even numbers.
Set of even numbers. Now, how do you know that it's a set of even numbers?
It always count up with 2 and continue with 2.
Yeah.
Up with.
Oh, it's counting by 2. Right, very good. Cool. So it's even numbers, or you would say multiples of 2. Because in 2, 4, 6, 8, all these numbers here, if you check, if you multiply 2 by other numbers, you will be able to produce these numbers. Take, for example, so 2 times 1, forget 2 times 4, 2 times 2 would give me 4, 2 times 3 would give me 6, and 2 times 4 would give me 8. So what I'm saying is that even numbers are multiples of 2. Curly brackets. So we use curly brackets or braces to show our group members or elements. So once you are listing the members of a set, they must be captured within the curly bracket or the curly braces. Parts of a set. Within the curly brackets, you have the elements or the members. And whenever you see these 3 dots, which is known as ellipsis, it is referring to an infinite number of items. Or it's saying this goes on. All right? I don't know what's happening here. So, yeah. So parishes in Jamaica beginning with Saint. And then I have this yellow sign here. Then I have Saint and Saint Mary, Saint Andrew, Saint Catherine, and Saint James. This symbol actually means is an element or member of. So technically what it's saying, the parishes in Jamaica that begins with Saint or that beginning with Saint, these are the members that would fit in that set. So wherever you spot that symbol, it's actually saying these elements belong to or is a member of that set. All right, let's proceed. So apple, orange, tangerine, pineapple, and I have cake is, and I have that symbol there. Then I have fruits. What is this statement?
It's saying that cake is not a fruit.
Saying that it is not a fruit. So it says not a member of. So it says this symbol denotes not an element of, is not a member of, and it does not belong to the set any at all. So we are quarter of the way through. So let us just recap now. So May, June, August, Tuesday. If you were supposed to describe, and it says let's recap elements or not elements of. If you were to answer or refer to this set, how would you speak of it? Using any of the symbols that we have just gone through a while ago.
Tuesday is not the months of the year.
All right, let's see. It says Tuesday is not a member of the months of the year. Very, very, very good. If I gave you the title or the description, state of matter, and you are to formulate a set from it, what would the members or elements of the set be?
It would be solid, liquid.
All right, so thank you. Let's proceed. So we'll cover the curly braces, cover elements of and not elements of. Now we are moving on to naming sets. So for the whole of the first section I talked, now I'm gonna need some assistance now. So I need some help.
A name in a set, we assign the term set below a capital letter or just a capital letter before writing the equal sign, listing the members or elements of the set.
So this is how we would name a set by putting, just as you just read, just write set A, or you could just put the capital letter alone. Then it's followed by the equal sign. Then open the curly brackets, put the elements in, close the curly brackets, and here we have the other way. So let that soak in. Cool.
When describing sets, we use a word or phrase that will refer to all the members based on the common, similar properties and characteristics. For example, A equals curly bracket mango, banana, orange, apple, close bracket.
And you don't have to speak about the curly brackets. All it needs to do is list the numbers. But I like the fact that you're paying attention to all the details there. So if we were to describe this set, which we would have already done initially, what would we refer to this set as?
A set of fruits.
Set of fruits. Cool. All right, Trishan, I'm going to give you this one. So set B has cricket, netball, football, and tennis. What would you refer to this as?
The set of sports.
Of sports. And I was a bit extra by saying played at my school. Let's recap. So we have Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey. First, it says, what is missing from the sets below?
The curly brackets and the name of the set.
So the name of the set, very good. And the curly brackets. What name or description would you give to this set?
The group of counties in Jamaica.
All right, let's see. Counties of Jamaica. Thank you. All right, this next one. Anybody else? What is missing from this set?
Equal sign and the letter for the set.
Oh, the name and the equal sign. All right, very good. We are at empty or null set. The name is self-explanatory when something is null or empty. Technically mean it is without any significance. You know, I don't have anything of any significant weight. 0, empty. So in writing that a set is empty, you just place the two curly brackets beside each other with nothing inside them, or there is a special symbol, 0, or a circle with a forward slash. Take for example, human beings on earth with wings. Would that set have any members?
No, sir, it would not have any.
All right, good. So no, that would have any members at all. Fishes that walk the streets at night still don't have any members. First place, fishes don't have feet. So the impossible. So normally what happens is that with empty sets, you cannot find any members at all, no matter how you're searching. The next still be empty. All right, so what is a finite set? if you understand the concepts of something being infinite or infinite and finite, then this concept will not be hard.
Finite set. A finite set is when it has limited elements. So it doesn't. So it doesn't have a lot of elements in the brackets.
All right, you're the man. So right off the bat, here we have it. The days of the week beginning with the letter T. How many elements would be in that set? It would be 2. So it would only be Tuesday and Thursday. Cool. So finite because we can list all the members, and infinite because it's impossible to list all the members, and it would go on and on and on and on. And in order to show that they continue without end, we use the 3 dots known as the ellipsis. You can see it on the example below. So you'd have 2, 4, 6, 8, and then the ellipsis would be there. And then the question will be asked, why those 3 dots? Because we can't list all the numbers in the world, because numbers just increase without end. Therefore, we'd use the ellipsis to show this. Right? All right. And is this set finite or infinite?
I mean, finite.
How is it finite?
26 letters in the alphabet and it stops at 0. So it's finite. So
But the ellipsis is in the middle. What would the ellipsis mean right here?
it means that it's saying the other letters.
So as I showing the ones that are missing, we have 2 slides to go. It says in this case, it is a finite set. There are only 26 letters, right? Yeah. All right, so let's recap whether sets are finite or infinite. Sand on the sea. Finite or infinite?
Infinite.
Finite. Good. Pupils in your class.
Finite.
Finite.
Guys will be able to number all. Leaves in a forest.
Infinite.
Infinite, because you'll be able to
Infinite.
number all. Be very good. Strands of hair on your head.
Finite.
This guy can count. Can you count all the hairs on your head? Think about it.
Infinite.
It will be infinite. Infinite. And that is the end.